Timepiece Trading, bro.
You already know with TPT.
Shout out Timepiece Trading.
Timepiece Trading.
Yes, sir.
What's up, bro? My partners, guys, I'm Mike. What's up, Mr. RS? This is another partner. What's up, How are you?
Marcus doing amazing for you guys.
It's crazy, bro.
Crazy,
Yeah, like
What's up, bro? Non-stop.
Hey, what's up? Nice to meet you.
today.
I don't do stocks so much, but I've seen it. Just
Today, like AMD,
I saw.
wake up 30% off.
I saw.
These guys.
I think I saw your story and then I checked it and I was like, damn,
There you go.
that's a big move.
I've been
man.
building that position since November last year.
Nice.
Yeah.
Big move.
Big move.
I think you should get a watch for him because he just made like $210,000 today.
No, that was the total exit.
I
So
was
profit
like
was 120.
120, okay.
Oh, you cashed out?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely a
What more do you want?
decent time to cash out. Yeah, bro, up 30% on the day, like.
So this is the new.
Sure.
We were
Have
here,
everything out on display. No, last time we were in my room.
but you delivered the panda here. This panda.
Yeah, here.
This one to Ernesto.
Yeah, this is yours.
Yeah, I know. But we did the video here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we did the video here, but there was nothing on display.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Got it.
Now you got everything.
Now we
like
have it
full.
all. Yeah, because I think we were still waiting on some pieces. The AC wasn't good. You guys were here what about like 7 months ago? 6 months ago?
Early
Not
summer.
Okay.
June.
Yeah.
And how you feel with the new space?
I love it.
Yeah.
It's much better, you know. Before they were in my room, I would be taking out boxes. They're both cool.
Yeah.
I like this better.
They both have something,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
special.
Yeah.
Over there.
Which one do you like more?
Let me see. But I would like you to sit. I would like to sit with you in your office too.
Yeah,
like
for sure, for
yeah,
sure.
hang out a little bit,
We'll
and
do
you
it.
can show me something.
Yeah.
Because over there, I feel like it's more intimate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, it makes us feel bad though, because now we have this, but like.
No.
It's good to-
but
good
this
to
is
know.
this is like very good because you can see everything.
Yeah.
You know.
Sometimes people would miss stuff. The
Thank
date
you.
that you got is so
Thank you.
sick. So.
Thank you. Thank you for helping
Yeah,
me.
Yeah.
I was.
And your
this-
watch too, bro.
We were this
you.
close to buy something in Saint Tropez.
Yeah.
I text you and you say like, hey, wait.
Yeah.
I got something better for you.
Yeah.
It
No,
was
you're
a-
both solid, bro.
It was a code 11, so
No.
you helped me over
Yeah.
there.
He was about to pay it.
It's not good, bro. You lose so much money as
Bro,
soon
I
as
was
you buy.
this close. I text you
Yeah.
in the Audemars Piguet ID, and you
Yeah.
said like, hey, wait for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me show you guys your watches. I have them right here. So guys, they picked up 3 watches. Actually crazy watches. Really, really nice watches. The first one. Ombre Dede. I think my favorite Dede, bro. For sure. It's like a new release. They killed it. They killed it with the dog.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's a Dede I would choose too.
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you for the advice.
I think you knew what you wanted though.
Yeah.
You knew you wanted it.
Let's see, baby.
Let's see. Okay, so this is yours.
That's mine?
Yeah.
Aha.
No, this is yours. Sorry. Sorry, bro.
It's okay. I got one too.
Blue Dow AP, 41mm, stainless steel. Wear it everywhere. Good. Do you like that fit? Or do you want one more link?
That fit is good.
Okay.
Thank you, Mar.
No, you have a really good collection now.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, of course.
Don't
Let's do the next one. What do you guys think you got? It's similar. Similar but different.
Let's go.
So this is a 15510 ST.
Okay. Latest one?
The latest one, yes.
Beautiful. So they dropped the AP logo.
Exactly.
The watch.
Yeah. Very, very small difference. So you want to do here first. Yeah, where it says AP, you do last.
Okay. What's
Brace-
the name of
It's
this?
so sick, right? The bracelet.
Yeah.
The bracelet is
Yeah.
what makes it for AP and for me too. Because like you always have that shine.
Thank you.
3 crazy pickups. No, thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Appreciate the support. Yeah. What's up, dude?
Nice fridge.
How you doing? Neil. Nice
This
to meet
is
you.
Lady Goat. He's a man.
Lady?
And
Yeah.
Nice to meet
This
you.
is a brother right here.
What's up, Liv? You good?
How are you?
What's up, brother?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
We met yesterday.
True.
But dude, Lay's dope. He's the man. He's
He looks
hilarious.
dope.
We're gonna get him
I like the shirt, Lee.
we're gonna get him a roulette deal.
Right.
Hell yeah.
Loves gambling and shit.
That's the way to get rich, bro.
Alright, but Lay, we got 3 options for you, bro.
Yeah.
We got 3 watches we can take a look at today. Because we gotta look good for this game. So this is the one you were liking out front on the screen. This is the one you were looking at earlier.
That one.
Here, there's a
He
really
didn't even see it goes down.
there's a super cool option in here, bro.
This one's
Very
the bust
Togi
down.
style,
This
yeah.
is the shit I wear, Lay.
You got it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I love this one.
It's fully iced out, bro. Look.
It's just
Head to toe. Let me see you're supposed to wear your watch here.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Lay with the bust down Cartier, bro.
Actually, this one looks sick on you.
You're
Lay.
sick.
Yeah.
I like
Oh
it.
my.
You like this one?
Try this one on too.
Bro,
'cause this is
look,
the one you liked
It
before.
comes with like an extra strap, like a bunch of stuff you could switch around.
Oh, I'll do that.
You like this one the best?
Yeah, best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it matches your vibe, bro, more than
You look
the
good, bro.
AP.
Show the camera how that shit looks on you.
Oh yeah.
Super late.
You did.
Wait, you like that one more than this one?
No, those are good.
All right, dude. That's all you.
Yeah,
you
that's me.
we'll take it home for you. It's good luck for the game
I
tonight.
like it.
Yeah, actually, Togi, since you're doing something so nice, bro.
Yeah.
This week's sponsor for the video.
Oh
I'ma
shit!
have you've
You're
been
gonna run me
sponsored
on
by-
one of these pack draw videos?
Yeah, you've been sponsored.
All right,
by
let's
them
see
too.
it. Let's try
Let's
it,
go.
bro.
You just get a discount off the watch. Like we're gonna help late.
Oh, okay. So if
feel
I
me?
hit big, I get a discount on the watch.
Yeah, whatever you hit, you can either get a discount on the watch, or you get double in credit on pack draw, or you get the item that you hit for. Whatever you want.
I bet. Dude, this is I'm gonna hit a fucking take Doom for like 200 right now.
Show it. Yeah. Same color.
Oh, dude, it's matching the Young LA pants. That's fire, bro. It looks good on you,
that
bro.
looks
Like,
really nice.
and then if you put the flashlight on it, like, it busts crazy. You look like, sheesh, dude.
Oh, it's shiny.
It's shiny.
All right, let's go, like.
I
All right,
like
so I'm doing this thing with pack draw real quick. I need to spin and then needed to hit a gold.
Let's go.
Oh, that would be so hype, actually. What's that? Oh, purple, right? Is that... 3 racks!
Yeah,
Let's
why
go!
not?
Alright, 3 racks on the watch.
That's the
Wait,
biggest
so-
spin win on our channel.
Bang, dude! All right, so we got
Of course
already
it's
got
fucking
3 racks
Togi.
off. Thanks, dude. Get
course it's
oh, it's
Togi.
dude. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so how much? Wait, how much is the watch?
So that was a $15,000 watch, but now it's 12. Thanks.
All right, and then you know the drill.
Yeah. Wait. Oh.
We're coin flipping the bitch. I'm not paying for shit, dog. It's just the drill.
I'm so scared of
I'm
Togi.
showing lay the ropes on how to like run around Miami and get free shit, and it's dope. So we got
We're gonna
12
coin flip for that?
Yeah. Is it free
So,
or
yo,
24?
Matthew, keep track of numbers, okay? It was 15, now it's 12 because he just won a diamond on pack draw.
Let's
Now we're gonna
go,
go
bro.
0 or 24, I guess.
0 or 24, bro.
No, but can you pull out a coin? Because I hate my
You
coin.
jealous?
I actually gave it away since I lost
No, I
like
got a
so
coin,
many.
dog.
You don't? Do you want a rock paper again?
I like the coin because now it's in my hands. It's like it's
Dude,
different. It's stressful.
After the last 2 coin flips, I'm sorry.
He's just on a good cloud nine over there to watch. All right, we'll do it. One rock paper scissors.
All right, one rock
One
paper
and done.
scissors.
Let me,
All right.
bro. Let me lock you in. Let me think.
This guy's cheating. I don't know what he's thinking.
Well, I gotta know. I can't make a last decision. All right, so and then it's rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah, exactly.
Whoa, that was a tell.
No.
He gave
Let's
some
go,
right
let's
there.
go.
All right,
Come, I'm getting you this time, bro. You ready?
0 or 24.
Yeah, 0 or 24. Fuck. I'm down how much on Togi now? We're at 90. 16. Are you wearing the 18?
No, not
Bro.
right now.
All right, Leo, I need to win this.
106,000. I need to win this, bro.
I'm not paying no 24 for a Cartier bust down, bro.
All right, ready?
All right.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Bang! That's what I'm talking about. Splat! Yes, dude. Free. And now that Lay got a free watch. Come on now, Lay. Free watch,
Oh
dude.
my
That's what I'm
God.
talking about.
Oh my God.
Yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Let's fucking go.
Stop celebrating
You
so
see,
hard.
Lay? He's in the face. Yeah, boy.
Oh
I'm
my
happy.
God.
I'm happy it's going to you, bro.
He looks
Dude,
good
this
in
guy
that
beat me
thing.
3 times in a row for a watch. Every
Togi
single time.
TimePieceTrading coming soon. Lay gonna be working there and shit. Is this new?
Take this, bro.
This is different. I
Yeah,
never
it's
seen
brand
this.
new, yeah.
It's got the watch movements on
watch?
it.
It's dope, right?
That's
Okay,
fire
get
as
my
fuck,
ladies.
bro.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was just talking about the fuck yeah.
Hold this on the other. Dude, I can't. I'm trying to be happy because I love seeing you, but just low-key starting to hate seeing
Bro,
you.
I'm every time I'm Miami, I come and I take Neil for some shit.
3 for 2.
Lay. But this one's not for me at least. It's for Lay.
You really are the
You're
gambling
good.
god, bro.
This one and my girl.
Yeah, bro. You're playing against the wrong
can't
people.
compete.
You gotta
I'm
pick and
done.
choose your battles.
Bro, after this,
Yeah,
I'm done.
girl.
You buy from I need some business now.
Oh my god, I'm never paying for anything here ever, bro. Are you kidding me? Yeah, dude. How you like it, Lay?
I like it. I gotta get.
Boom.
I'm gonna give you a bag, Lay. I'm gonna give you a bag.
Yeah, get a bag and shit. Oh, dude, that's so sick.
Where's my
Okay,
girlfriend?
Togi,
Like it.
we got some.
Got you, dog.
Since we just.
Love you, bro.
Love you too, Lay.
I'll call you my brother.
Boom, brothers. Just like that. Hell yeah, bro.
Oh yeah,
Since you
baby.
just gambled and won, it's
Yeah.
only right that I show you what you won
Oh,
the
yeah?
last time you were here.
Dad.
Oh, it's here,
It's
bro.
already, yeah.
Is it done? Oh, are you
Bro,
serious?
it's gonna blow your mind.
Oh, this is the watch that I won off Neil last time we were here, bro.
Guys, I could have potentially got paid $180,000 for this, but instead he got it for free
bro.
every
Oh my
single
God.
time.
Oh yeah, dude, that's fire,
Dude, this
Oh
is such
my
a Togi
God.
watch, bro.
bro.
Look at the buckle on the back. It's like head to toe.
Dude, that is fucking insane.
What do you call it? A rapper watch, right?
Yeah, rapper watch, rapper chain, all that. And so they're making me a Victory Royale chain now.
So you got Petizard,
Watered.
Rolex. How
Bro,
do
now
you
we
say,
got it
how do you
all.
say this in your words? Richizard?
The Richizard Malizzard.
The Richizard Malizzard. Let's go.
Alright.
Boom.
Oh, dude, that's a heavy hitter right there.
Wow.
Now I got it all. I got
Perfect, too.
chandelier AP, chandelier, bro.
Holy shit.
Woo!
That's the one.
Let me take a. All right, the leg. Get over here. We gotta take a picture with our watches.
Liv, do you like that one better or the Patek better?
All right, check it out. Me and Lay went stupid. Lay's got the bust down Cartier. Got the Richard.
Yeah.
Hell yeah,
Hell
dude.
yeah.
That's so sick, dude.
Yeah.
But that pack draw shit was lit.
Yeah.
I actually didn't. I
You
thought it was
was
gonna be
gonna
some
win.
bullshit 500, and that was dope.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, bro. Thanks, Doom.
Well, actually, bro, if you didn't spin the pack draw wheel, you would have. Well, actually, same thing for you. Cause you
Yeah, it
would've
was
paid
free no
zero.
matter
Yeah.
what. This is so fire. I'm excited to wear this to Miami game night.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, bro. We're gonna look great. We're gonna be the drippiest motherfuckers on the court. Hell yeah,
me
bro.
and my
You should
girlfriend.
put the chain on him for tonight. I'll look crazy on
The
this.
Togi chain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, bro, you gotta loan me one.
All right.
Let's see a fat chain.
You can wear this and then just get it back from me.
All right, let me try
Yeah?
that real quick.
Dude, it's cool
How's
on you
that?
because T for Togi too, you know?
Yeah,
Togi
Damn.
trading.
Togi, piece right. Dude, I can't believe you got the watch movements on there.
You said it last time and
Let me see the
blew up.
mirror. Here, Lay, you try this one on too.
Alright.
Oh, that's fire, dude. That's so tough.
That shit looks
I need
so
like
good
a-
on you, bro. Holy.
Tennis with like 2 carats of lab diamonds on
That's
each.
this right here.
That's
Yeah,
right.
I need that, but tennis.
I'm gonna show you a
I know
1.5
what
carat
here.
each.
This
It's huge.
right here.
So Togi, this is 1.5 carats each stone. Look. It's not 2, but it's huge.
And these are lab.
These are lab, yeah.
How much is this?
Natural, that chain you're gonna spend like 400,000
Yeah.
or more. Lab, I believe I can sell it to you for 35 though.
Let me try it on real quick. Thank you. Here, wait, put that on Lay.
I
See how
like
it
tennis
is.
better because
Come
it's
here.
not heavy, bro. Like it's easy to wear.
Yeah, but I'm afraid of breaking them. Aren't
Dude,
they
it's not
fragile?
gonna break. Unless if you put your big Togi piece on it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
But if you just rock
yeah.
it solo, you're good.
Oh yeah. You
Yo.
look fresh.
Show it off with the one. These are 150 pointers. These are 200 pointers.
Yeah, those are boogers, bro.
These are 2, bro. It's just on your neck. It looks. You got big neck.
Does it look small? I got
No, it doesn't look small. Just. I know we gotta add stones.
Alright,
for it.
whatever. Let me just check it out. Oh, look at him go, dude.
Hey, he could rock it and then just bring it back for me tomorrow.
You want to wear that tonight?
Yeah.
Alright,
I
alright.
got
Gonna make him look doper in the vlog. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
The game.
Me and my
Alright,
girlfriend.
alright,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah, and I'll bring it back tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, bro.
Cool.
Let me look how this one looks on me.
Yo, it don't.
Oh, dude, this is too small.
You're just used to your bigger one.
No,
Bro,
I
if
can't
that was
rock that.
natural, I'm serious. It would be like 450.
Well, yeah, that's why I just assumed they're lab because it's like
Yeah.
you would never show me none that's gonna be 400 because I'm not spending 400.
I used to wear it natural, but 100 pointers, 1 carat. It was 250, and Jack Doherty bought it off my neck.
I can't justify buying
No,
tennis
that is
natural.
Yeah, I mean,
Bro, that's
Yeah, now-
stupid. 250?
yeah.
It's crazy expensive. Bro, my Richard is bananas. I can't
like
believe it's actually chilling and ready.
Yeah, I could actually see
It's
this
just
on
too thick
YouTube,
for
bro.
me.
Not gonna lie.
This one?
Looks good.
Yeah, now I'm ready to get a real. What's this? The Bubba Watson
That's the
one?
Bubba Watson.
Yeah. So this is 400,000.
Oh, that
a
was
little bit
cool.
under.
I like that one.
And on you, it looks really nice, bro.
Oh, that's so sick.
Because you're always wearing black, so.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's clean. Yeah. Well, dude, I can't buy
They're
it.
like 350.
I don't got no 350 for you, bro. I owe you so much money already.
Brother, you just got a free watch.
Yeah, but the Togi.
You just got another
bro,
free
I
watch.
told you it's gonna be I need
Yeah,
a
that's true.
$100,000 chain.
We're gonna
so
make
it's
a
like,
crazy Victory Royale piece.
Yeah, that's gonna be dope.
Everybody.
Oh yeah, dude.
All right, you want to see the showroom?
Yeah, Lay. You want to see the showroom with all the watches and shit?
Yeah.
Now that we got yours, you're chilling. We can just like fuck around and see everything. Oh yeah, you look good in that, dude.
I think
This
yeah,
is
it's perfect.
just to, like hold Lay's watching whenever he's not wearing it and shit.
Yeah.
Where, dude? Yeah, Lay, check it out. They got like a bunch of crazy stuff. So that's the one you just got. But I don't know. It's cool to look at all the stuff. A lot of really the bust down rings. Oh, dude, and the fucking
Jesus.
Jesus piece not sell yet?
No, this shit.
No, bro.
I'll gamble for that.
I will give you $2,500 for that.
We gotta walk.
Bro, no one want no fucking lion enameled
Steve
Jesus
asked me
piece,
to
bro.
make him 5 rings like Thanos today. You know the colored rings he wears? Thanos?
Oh, the
Avengers?
Thanos. Yeah. So what? He wants Thanos
one of
rings?
each color and like huge. Yeah.
That's the most Steve thing I ever heard.
Yeah. He was
I
gonna
never
do
liked
10
rings, bro.
I could see you wearing it because you're so big, you know?
Yeah, but I don't know. It's just like, I don't know. And they're expensive. How much like a big ass like? How much?
Like that. The biggest ones we have in here are like 10 racks.
Oh, that's pretty cheap.
Yeah.
Nah, I can't wear no ring.
Oh,
bro.
dude, these are the chains I thought would look sick with your new pendant, bro. We just got them.
I can't afford that, dude.
You wear the lock in the front?
Nah, but it's cool just for the sake of looking at it. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is fire. If this was bro, what's this? 20 inches?
It's 22, bro.
How's that?
It's only. Oh, maybe I need 26 then.
You need probably, maybe 25 even. But look, this one's half. So you got half emeralds, half
Oh, I like that
rounds.
more. Let me try that.
Your other chain's all round.
Oh yeah, this one's fucking fire, bro. Yeah, we'll do this one. If it fits in the budget, add 3 inches, and then we'll run this one.
I think it's like 60 this chain.
How much a pendant
I
gonna
think
be?
it's like 650 grams. No, we'll make sure it's under the budget, bro. I told him I want the pendant like this, like big. Really?
Yeah,
that's what I told him.
what I want.
And like exactly those colors
Just
and
like
everything.
stupid.
I told him
Like
diamond border.
dancing, going crazy everywhere. Yeah, bet. We'll run this chain with it then. What other
Yeah.
chains would look good? I had like every one of these chains at some point.
Yeah, you had
Literally,
that-
I had this one. No, not that one.
You had this one for sure.
I had that one. I had this one at the bottom there. I had the one right
Yeah,
above
the
it.
one on the bottom, right?
Well, because I used to have 5 chains. Let me try that thing on, dude. Damn, bro. 30 racks for that is fucking
I'll give you the
nothing.
exact price for this. Wow. What got you into tennis recently?
You're gonna what?
Just TJ.
No, I always liked tennis. I just never could afford it until Lab became popular, and then it was like, bro, I can do this shit.
Dancing, bro.
Well, this is like when you walk in a room with the tennis, it's like,
Yeah.
Classy.
Yeah.
bro, yeah, it's not no because it's sometimes hard to pull up, and I got the Togi pendant on.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Do they look? They kind of look the same size.
No, yours is way bigger. Night and day, yours looks bigger.
Bad,
But I mean, this is fire.
This one I give you 35 flat. I know off the top of my head.
Let me try that one.
Yeah. Keep both on for a sec.
No.
Why?
no.
Just so you see the comparison.
Oh, I thought you were trying to give me Bobby.
No,
Bones.
no. I don't even care if you buy one, bro. I'm just showing you
Well,
the sizes.
Joey.
That's
Oh
my
yeah,
dog,
these
bro.
are hitting harder and they're bigger for sure.
Yeah, they're hitting way harder.
It's like a $6,000-7,000 price difference, bro. That's it.
Between one?
6, 7.
Yeah.
All right.
The difference.
Oh my God, that's crazy.
Like this is 35. This will be 30 or under.
If the Heat win tonight, I'll buy this off you.
Bet.
Fuck, dude, this is so fire. What do you think about this, Liv?
I love this one.
Very classy.
Yes.
I love this one.
Yeah.
Steve bought the last one that I had. I was wearing it. He bought it. I just remade it. Now you're about to buy mine. Then I have to wait again.
Yeah, if the Heat win, I'll buy it tonight. All right, word. I'll give this back
It's
to you.
so good for the money, bro. Honestly.
Stir?
Thank you.
Hell yeah.
Got you,
Hell
brother.
yeah.